Hey everyone, welcome back. If your BNZ Internet Banking account is locked, do not panic. This usually happens for security reasons. Accounts are commonly locked after multiple incorrect attempts or suspicious activity. First, wait for a short period as some locks are temporary. Try resetting your password using the forgot password in the login page. You may need to verify your identity using a one time code sent to you on your registered mobile number. Then go to the Gmail app and then check for messages from BNZ explaining why your account was locked and follow the instructions provided to unlock it. If you cannot unlock it online, contact the BNZ customer support directly. They may ask security questions to verify your identity before restoring access. And that's how to fix a BNZ Internet Banking locked account. Subscribe for more quick fixes.